The Cedarburg Mill is a grist mill in Cedarburg, Wisconsin that is listed on the U.S. National Register of Historic Places. It was built in 1855 by Frederick, Hilgen and Schroeder to replace the wooden grist mill they had built in 1844. The architect and builder was Burchard Weber. At 5 stories high, Cedarburg Mill was the tallest building in Cedarburg when it was built and at the time cost $22,000. The mill is built on Cedar Creek. Hilgen and Schroeder built a dam on the creek near the mill and put a water wheel near the dam to power the mill. The mill could produce 120 barrels of flour each day, which was sold in a shop owned by Hilgen and Schroeder. Because the Cedarburg Mill prospered, 4 other mills were built along Cedar Creek. The mill building is now owned by Landmark Supply Co. See also Concordia Mill.